Oh, hey. Didn't see you there. As you can see, I'm eating chicken. Chicken's delicious, but there's something you may not know about it. Hi, my name is Chet Worthington, and today I'm going to talk to you about chickens. Did you know that most of the chicken that we consume on a near daily basis is filled with growth hormones that are terrible for your health? It's true. Studies show that some farmers give their chickens chemicals to make them grow unnaturally large, unnaturally quickly, and in some cases it can even cause cancer. I suggest that we all start to wean off of our taste of chickens, only if it means substituting one meal per week. We can really start to make it.
Stop talking about chickens!
I don't feel so good.